pleased to hear that you have the intention to invest in Aceh, particularly agriculture sector. This is, as I said, I mentioned just now, more than 60% of the Acehnese farmers, smallholders, fishermen, and small businessmen. This sector of the population has been long neglected for many reasons. In the past, you know the history of Aceh, there's conflict, there's tsunami, but it is now quite over already. We are all now focusing how to develop as it should be. As what Vice Governor said, at least within these 20 years, at least I think we try to build something like Malaysia. Yes? And the potential is there. And including the potential already mentioned. As I said before, traditionally, Acehnese are also very good businessmen. But of course, because of the problem, we can see the activities of the Acehnese business community is going down. But now we're going to update it. And with the participation of whatever project that we think viable in Aceh, I think this sector, we as the industrialists, can promote very fast. And this is, in fact, one of the policy of the government to look for the sector of agriculture, and then at the same time we are planning for the industry. As what we have already mentioned, in North Aceh, North Mawis, once upon a time it was the biggest gas field in the world, but now the reserve has been